A new amendment to Vermont's constitution is being considered, and lawmakers are hearing from people who would be most affected. ABC 22's Malachi Flynn was in Montpelier earlier tonight. He joins us now live in the studio with more here. Malachi?
Yes, Lauren, Vermont lawmakers heard directly from union workers on a constitutional amendment proposal that would ensure their rights to organization and collective bargaining. While unions are allowed in Vermont, this legislation would protect workers' rights against any future threat to unionization. The House Committee on General and Housing talked about Proposal 3 Tuesday, an amendment to the state constitution passed by the Senate earlier this month. The proposal would ensure collective bargaining and organizing rights. If implemented, it would guarantee Vermont workers the right to join labor organization and negotiate wages, hours, and working conditions.
I've had that experience of going through the union and what it can offer for all the women in the room. It levels the playing field, which is awesome, right? So the training is there, the education is there, safety and all these things that everyone else has said, but it also levels the playing field that my pay is the same as the person sitting next, right?
Members of several labor unions, representing construction, carpentry, plumbing, and other trades, spoke at the hearing. Many described how a union allowed them to grow professionally and on the personal level.
As a lifelong Vermonter and 20-year union member, I cannot stress enough the benefits of union membership. They've not only paved the way for me to raise a family and have a fulfilling career in the mechanical field, but also allowed me to remain as a resident of this great state.
They were joined by Elizabeth Medina, Executive Director of the Vermont Labor Council.
I really think it's important to support unions and enshrine their right to organize because they offer so much to workers not only who are in unions, but workers everywhere and also community members at large.
Now, nothing will happen this biennium, meaning this year or next. If it's given the okay through this committee and then the House, it will be set aside until 2026 when lawmakers will revisit the amendment per state law. Only then will it be eligible to be passed by voters in the November 2026 election. Live in the studio, Malachi Flynn, ABC 22 News.
Malachi, thanks.